Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and I'm coming to you today to talk about future cruise credits. These kind of credits didn't even exist with Royal Caribbean until a couple weeks ago. And what basically happened is, with everything going on in the world, Royal has given their clients the opportunity to cancel any of the bookings up to the end of July, up to 48 hours prior to departure. Make sure that you check the Royal Caribbean website with all terms and conditions and things like that. Just giving you an overview now, but make sure that you understand exactly how it works. So the first thing you need to know is if you are on a canceled sailing, it's very different than if you choose to cancel your sailing. Those who are on the canceled sailings were offered two options, 100% refund or 125% future cruise credit. Of course, we would love for you to take it as a future cruise credit. Royal Caribbean would as well. That's why they're gonna add 25% in value to that. Then, what you're gonna do is you can take that credit and you can apply it to any Royal Caribbean cruise through the end of 2021. So I said it's a little bit different if you've chosen to cancel your cruise. Maybe you can't go for work reasons, health reasons, whatever it is, and you just decide right before the cruise that you're gonna postpone it. You take that credit, it's gonna be 100% future cruise credit in lieu of full cancellation, which once again, thank you Royal for giving us that option to do. But both of those cruise credits, the one for canceled and the ones you choose to cancel, you can take those and use them with Harr Travel. We've already used quite a few of them, and we know that the suite space, and especially the triples and quads, they're gonna go really, really quick. And keep in mind, guys, there's gonna be hundreds of thousands of people with these future cruise credits that they're going to need to use them. So maybe you wanna use them on that brand new space that just opened up today on the Quantum of the Seas. Wasn't gonna be in Alaska, now you have an entire season in Alaska that's wide open, and you wanna join us for our come along, so check it out below. If you wanna cruise with us, 2021, we'd love for you to join us in Alaska. It's gonna be a blast, all kinds of private stuff that's only available to our group, but we get to go along, have fun with you, which makes our lives even that much better. But I just wanted to let you know that you have to pay attention to the rules of the cruise credit. What you're gonna do with the deposit. So if you wanna deposit this next sailing with us, or if you wanna deposit with our group or any sailing that you want, period, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put down the regular deposit. When final payment time comes, we're gonna take the future cruise credit, and if it's more than the total cost of the cruise, we're gonna apply 100% of it to the cruise, and you're gonna get your deposit refunded back to you. And then if, let's say it's more value than what the cruise is, so maybe you have a $15,000 credit, this new cruise costs $10,000, you can then take the remaining money, it's gonna move forward to a new future cruise credit. But once again, all of them at this time need to be used by the end of 2021. So if you happen to be in a situation where the new booking is a little bit more expensive than the old one that you had previously, of course, you just pay the difference and it works great for that. One thing that I'm gonna give the shout out to Royal Caribbean on is that they are going to pay us a regular commission on any cruises that we book with these future cruise credits. We work on commission, that way we never have to charge you a fee. It's a great relationship, it works both ways, and Royal Caribbean has been a true partner through all of this, and they have our back just like they have your back. So when you're ready to use that Royal Caribbean Future Cruise Credit on any cruise on Royal Caribbean prior to the end of 2021, reach out to Harr Travel. Below, there's plenty of information in how to click through to get access to us, or you can just call the number on the screen, and we will take care of you, and we will create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your family at an incredible value.